Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to link pages in your Wix website. So besides from using the menu right here from your header, you can also use another way to link pages in your Wix website. So for example, I want to scroll down here and I want this about button to be also clickable like this explore more button. So for this explore more button, it goes to another section which shows the about us section. But what I want to do is when I click the about text, I will be led to the about page. For example, I have this, so just click on the text or element that you want to link, and when I'm clicking on it, there will be a icon right here that says link that looks like a chain. So what you can do is you can click on this, and then from here you can navigate to a page where you will link your about element. For example, we are choosing the page, and then we can open it by the current window, and then we can just choose from here which page that we will be linking to. So we will be linking to the about page, and then we will click on done, and then you will see if the element is linked, the chain icon will be color green, and then it will say linked. So after that, we can click on preview, and then from here you can just close this, and then when we click on the about page, we have now been led to the actual about page by just clicking on the link, and then we can go back. And then for example, you want to lead or you want to link an element to a hidden page. So for example, I'll just add another text, or I can just add a button. I'll just add a button, just click on it, and then we'll change the text to privacy policy, and then we can just adjust this one, and then just change the design for a little bit, and just make the borders into a round. This is here in the corners. And there, you now have the rounded corners. And then from here, I'll just make the link into the privacy policy page. So the privacy policy page is a hidden page through our website, but by linking a button to it, we can now open it for the users of the website. For example, I've done that. We see the link button became green and it says linked. When we click on preview, and then when we click on the privacy policy button, we'll be automatically led to the privacy policy page. So that's how you can link different pages in your Wix website. And I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.